Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
YouTube Content ID automatically scans uploaded audio and can claim or block videos using copyrighted music. Claims often redirect revenue to rights holders or mute and block your short. Do not rely on a specific duration like 15 seconds is safe. No fixed short duration exception exists. Fair use is limited and rarely protects music use without clear transformative context. Always assume rights are required unless you control the copyright or have explicit permission from the rights holder. To legally use a song, obtain the correct licenses before uploading. You generally need a sync license plus a master use license for the recording. For cover recordings, you need a mechanical license and possibly permission for the arrangement. Royalty-free libraries often sell licenses for one-time fees starting around $0 per track. You can negotiate direct permission or revenue splits with rights holders or publishers for specific usages and territories. Keep written agreements for proof in dispute. Start by using YouTube Audio Library or reputable licensed libraries to avoid Content ID claims. If you choose a commercial track, contact the publisher or label to request a sync and master license. Secure licenses in writing and save agreements, invoices, and metadata for dispute resolution. When uploading, include composer and license details in the description and claim credit as required. If you plan to monetize, disclose revenue splits and obtain explicit written consent from the rights holder before publishing your short.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.